Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to unlock GMC Terrain with a dead battery. First, remove the physical key from the fob by sliding the release latch, then unlock the driver door using the hidden lock cylinder cover. Next, open the hood and visually inspect the battery for corrosion and loose terminals. If accessible, prepare jumper cables and connect to a donor vehicle using proper polarity, or use a portable jump starter. Once the physical key is out, approach the driver door and find the tiny plastic cover hiding the lock cylinder. Pry that cover off gently with the key edge or a plastic tool, then insert the metal emergency key and turn it firmly but smoothly to unlock the door. Avoid forcing the key to prevent breaking it off inside the cylinder. After entry, open the hood to access the battery for the next steps. With the hood open, position a donor car so cables reach comfortably without contact between vehicles. Attach red clamp to the positive terminal on the dead battery, red to the donor positive, then black to donor negative and black to an unpainted metal ground on your Terrain. Start the donor, let it run a few minutes, then try starting your vehicle. Once running, remove cables in reverse order and keep the engine running while you...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.